Hey, welcome back, adventurers. I got sent some InstaFire from InstaFire. This is a really cool fire starter. You're really going to enjoy this. These guys were actually on Shark Tank. It can be used in campfires, fireplaces, cooking, to get charcoal started, emergency situations. It lights wet wood, burns at nearly 1,000 degrees, burns on snow, water, and ice. It's non-volatile, no unexpected flare-ups, long burn time 10 to 15 minutes. It's got a waterproof pouch, no harmful chemicals, safe to store near food. InstaFire's leftover ash is a natural fertilizer. It nourishes the earth. Now, they also sent some charcoal starter as well, and I've used this 3 times now, and it says it's fast and easy. You just got to light the bag. We did that all 3 times, and it didn't work all 3 times. So I can't recommend the charcoal starter at all. It didn't light the bag whatsoever. So the InstaFire, though, they say that you can get about 4 uses out of a bag. I would say you can maybe even get double that. If you just need a little tiny bit and you want to get a small fire started, you don't need much. And it lights the second basically the flame touches it. So it's boom, instantly there. And the 10 to 15 minute burn time, I would not say is exaggerated. I would say that's definitely accurate depending on the size of the pile you have. Now within that little mixture, there's little pellets as well that you would see on like maybe a pellet stove at home. And that helps it burn a little bit longer. But other than that, it's just kind of like, it looks like you're lighting cat litter basically. And I've used it about 4, maybe 5 times this summer before the burn ban went on. And again, this video here was actually filmed before the burn ban went on. Highly recommend this stuff though. In the snow, this is probably what I'm going to be bringing with me on the winter backpacking trips that I'm hoping to do this winter. So I'm just going to leave it here, and you can watch the fire get started. It gets going definitely, no problems, no complaints, other than the charcoal starter actually just didn't work 3 times. So guys, I highly recommend this product. Definitely check out InstaFire in the comments and in the description, and I will catch you guys on the next video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please support me on Patreon.